Lucas, don't move. Just face the wall, huh? Ikaw, you're not listening to mommy. Tigas ulo mo. Don't move, ha? Don't move.
Ma.
Yes.
Love.
Love. I love you. But you have to listen to mommy.
Ma.
Yes.
Ma. Love.
I love you nga. I love you. But you have to listen to mommy. If you're not gonna listen and follow mommy, then I have to make you face the wall. That's your punishment. Just like Ate Keisha, remember? She's being stubborn earlier. She's not listening to mommy. Then I'll ask her to face the wall, right? Oh. It's just not Ate. It's you too. Okay?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ma.
What?
Ma.
Yes.
Love.
No, I love you. I know you're still a baby, but you have to learn. If mommy says, go lie down and finish your dede, then do it. And do not throw your dede. That's bad. Do you understand? Okay?
Try.
Oh, lie down. Finish your dede.